So, hello guys. I want to do a quick recap on the trade I took on Euro USDT. So first thing first, let's check the before on my Telegram journal. So this is the before. This is the before. So let's go. Let's look into it. How I took this trade. Let me explain. So that was on Monday. I just have to mark my zone and place my entry on my MT5. And first thing first, as you can see, this this is a breaker block. Actually, this is a breaker block. I saw how bullish price is. So price was like, so let me go to my Telegram so let's see it. So how bullish price is. I was just targeting this high, this particular high here. So what I was looking for was price broke this breaker block here. So broke it to the full body candle. Then this, so price came down. This particular candle you can see. Let me go to my trading view so that you see too. So this particular candle here, this particular candle was my inducement here. This particular candle, as you can see it, this particular candle here was my inducement. This particular candle here was my inducement into this breaker block. Why didn't that mark the whole body candle? It's because this whole body candle here was so large. It was so large. So I just have to use the wick on it. So when you break it down and go down to a very lower time frame, you're going to see it, but I just have to use the 1 hour time frame. So that was what was giving me a clear. That was what was giving me a clear. It was clear to me. It was clear to me. So I just have to use it. So that's how I placed my entry, and I was targeting this next high. This is it. So I was targeting this next high. This high here. Price didn't come down to it. So, and it was a 1:3 trade. Already it was on 1:3 trade. After I saw a new candle formed, I just have to take my profit. That's where we'll go down to the next one. That's where we'll go to check. And this is how I took my profit here. So I just took my profit there, and that was how I took this trade, because like I saw price, because overall I'm counter. This is a counter trade actually, and overall we are bearish, so I could have been looking for sales. So this was where I was even planning to sell, but it wasn't clear to me, as you can even see. If that I took this from this my particular level that I was waiting for, but price wasn't even showing me anything. I was just so tired of everything, because this was a 1 hour order block here, and as you can see, this is how price could have come into it, and this was where I was even looking at my liquidity. Then that was last week. That was this Monday, but eventually this was the trade I was able to see on Euro USDT, and price already played out, and this price just moved. So let's go down to, let's check gold. Let's look at gold XAU. So this is gold. As you can see, I'm just marking my entry because the SL was so much. The SL was so much on gold. I can't even bear it. So so this was the trade I took on gold. Can't even BTC only is even DSF. I don't know what to even say. The recent trade I took on gold there. So I was just studying, like I didn't even take much trade. So this SAG, this is good. So this was a trade I took on gold. Like I don't know what to even say, Seth. I don't know what to even say. Like it was so. Let's check it out. So I'm good. It was almost even like a similar trade like this Euro USDT. So 5-4. There's a 1 hour again. So this was the zone where I took the trade from this breaker block here, and this was my inducement. So that's how I lost the trade, like, because I was like, where am I wrong? Because we are already bullish. Like I was like, since the bullish move is just something we are experiencing, let me just buy from here. And the next thing I can see was, well, like it just took me out. So I stopped looking for like quick buys because I was like, what am I going to do? Like I was checking what was the trade wrong, because already like I have to check all my other block, all my breaker block, and which one is valid. This one, price has already used this. But since price has already used the breaker block, I'm buy to the next level up here. I'm not even supposed to even look for any. But I was like, oh, price already took this one down before moving up. I was like, okay, this will be my liquidity into this other block. And the next thing, price came to it, took me out and sell down. So automatically the trade is wrong. The trade is wrong. Like my bias is just wrong. Overall, we are what bearish. I could have been looking for what more sales, because I think the sell pressure was high. That's why like mistaken, like everything is just going down. I'm not supposed to be looking for buys, because on the daily, because I was doing my buys on the daily, so I could have just wait. And you can see now this what price is just showing since how many days. I'm not even like on the daily side, I'm not still seeing a clear version of what I'm seeing, because already this is a long liquidity week, and if I expect price to take this out, and that means gold is selling down, that means gold is going to reach something. But now that gold is even, look at, like it's even buying all the way from this downward here. Like this is a support level here, and already price has rejected it, and now we're just trying to form a swing high now. So now I'm still bullish. I'm just bullish now, because I'm seeing what I'm looking for on gold. So I'm just expecting price to do a sting and remove. So I just broke this trade on the lower time frame, since price rejected that level. This is the week that price rejected it from, and now I'm just trying to form a swing high to it. So now if price is going to sell down again, that means all I'll be looking for is my buy. If price is going to eventually come down to this level, because I know what price can do. Price can do buy. I can even still sell them, and to confirm the buy. So guys, that is it on gold. So that's where I'm looking for my own buy on gold from this particular level. That is if price comes down to it. But still yet, overall we are bearish, but we're just trying to form a bullish move on this. And since we are trying to form a bullish move on it, so I can't really confirm my buy from this zone here. So I just have to look for another buy from this breaker block here, because all this level have already been used. So this is my breaker block, and this is my inducement here. So price comes down to it, we buy from there. So that is it on. So on gold, on BTC now. BTC has been showing me that guy, if I'm selling, sell, if I'm buying, buy. But me, I don't know, I like trading. I just like trading. Sometimes I usually counter, so I'm tired of that. Also, if the selling, I sell, if it's buying, I buy. So that is it. That's how I lost this trade on this. So let's go down to BTC. Hey, I took so many trades. So this is BTC. That was on Wednesday. This was BTC. And this trade was on the 45 minutes. I was like, and it eventually buy though. On the 45 minutes, It's bite up, like it bought up, and let me show you. That was on Wednesday. It is May. So it's around this place here. So this is it here. So this shit wasn't even that confirmed. I was like, let's try something. Let's see if price was going to buy upward. Because I was just choosing it blindly. I was not even conscious about it. I was like, okay, let's use this other block here. That you can see. Let's use this other block here. And this is our liquidity. This is here. So like I think I went down to the 15 minutes. But this is on the 15 minutes. Sit here like this was a trade here. Let me go down to the 15 minutes. I think it's the 15 minutes or so. Because this is on the 15 minutes. Okay. But this was Friday, May 29. All this was on Friday. I think it's not this night. This was yesterday. This was yesterday. So where's Wednesday? Good. You see, this was itself. Okay. I was like, okay. Just came into this other block here. I rejected it. There's a let's see. You see it? So Perez came into it and rejected it. So like so I think this was where I took that trade from. Then I marked this as my other block here. So I marked this as my other block here. If I go down to a lower time frame, I'll see it clearly. Like on the 15 minutes. So I was like, wow. And price is buying now. So price just deceived me, and I was just targeting one particular high. As you can see the high. This was where I was targeting. I was like, price is coming down, it's going down to that place, so let's even it here. So I was targeting this high, right? Yeah, I think price did me dirty, and price just sold off. This is it here. After we had that confirmed, that's how price just brought down, just went down. So that was how I was able to like cancel everything and start looking for a proper confirmation on BTC. So guys, that is it on BTC, and that's how I feel. Like I just have to start focusing on more of a higher time frame bias. I think that is giving me a clearer version before I start looking for a trade continuation in the lower time frame. So that is it on BTC. So I'm expecting a buy here. So use proper risk management. So I've already break down everything down. But anyway, let's just see. So that is it on BTC. And those looking for a quick buy, I think there's a quick buy also. Like there's a quick buy on this. There's a quick buy. You can maybe use this. Yeah. There's a quick buy. I don't know, it's on the 15 minutes actually. There's a quick buy. There's a quick buy, so you can't just break the liquidity week into this. And these are inducements here. That is if price is tends not to take you guys out. So that's the liquidity week, and depends on you. I told you I was like it's a blind trade. Just know, but just target this high here. Let's see price don't go down to that high. So you can target that high. So and now you know that this weekend, so trade will look so. But it's not confirmed to me, so I just have to use the ETH. Yeah, I just have to use ETH on this, as you can see. So that was where I was targeting. I was using the 30 minutes. You see it? So it's using the 30 minutes. It's already like it's just a short buy for me. And look, using the liquidity. This is a trend line liquidity, as you can see. Also, if you can target the other one also. This is also its trend line liquidity to me. So either ways, we expect a little buy from any of these pairs. Already, this is a confirmation to me. So guys, that is it on this trade. So that's what just happened this weekend. So have a nice day, and I'll make sure you subscribe.